Hello, what's up guys? Today I want to share with you how to fix the HTML element does not have a language attribute in the from Lighthouse score from the report which generates you. If you don't know how to generate a report, just go here to inspect an element, whichever element you want to inspect. In the Chrome browser this does not work, in Firefox browser they don't have this feature. And then you just create generate report, and Google Chrome will create a report for you. In this case, the fix we are looking for is how to fix HTML element does not have a language attribute. This is quite easy to fix. You go to your HTML attribute and you type in lang equals, for example, DE for Germany, or US, or maybe EN. Let's try EN for English. This is not true, so I will try DE for Germany. This is German. Let's try it out. See whether it's worked. Accessibility. Yes, it has worked. We got rid of the notice. Thank you for watching, and check out my YouTube channel for more Lighthouse fixes for Google Chrome. Thank you for watching, and